The first USA flag was adopted in 1777 and consisted of red, white, and blue. The new country had just declared its independence from Great Britain, and consisted of 13 new states that used to be British colonies. They decided to make 13 red and white stripes on the flag. And in that blue area on the flag, called the canton, they put one white star on it. For every state in the Union: New Jersey, South Carolina, Delaware, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Massachusetts, Connecticut, North Carolina, New York, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, Virginia, Georgia. This is what the first US flag was like, with 13 stripes and 13 stars. Later, 2 more states were annexed to the US, and they added 2 more stripes and naturally 2 more stars for Vermont and Kentucky, 15 stripes and 15 stars. But even later, 5 new states joined, and people began to realize that if they added more lanes they would become very thin. So, in 1818, the USA added a new law on flags that would leave the number of stripes at 13, in honor of those first 13 states. But they would still add new stars in the future. It looks better that way. So these 5 new states were Tennessee, Mississippi, Indiana, Louisiana, and Ohio. 20 stars. On December 3, 1818, Illinois entered the Union. But that new flag law stated that when a new state or states entered the Union, the flag would not be officially refilled with new stars until the next Independence Day, July 4th, which is still the rule. So, because Illinois became a state on December 3, 1818, the new star was officially added to the flag on July 4, 1819. Okay, Illinois, 21 stars. Next, by next July 4th, 2 new states have joined the Union: Alabama and Maine, which actually seceded from Massachusetts, so we'll just stick it where it belongs. So yes, Alabama and Maine joined in the same year. Because of the law on the flag, he jumped from 21 stars straight to 23 in 1820. And now it's getting a little boring. Missouri 24 stars. Arkansas 25 stars. Michigan 26 stars. Florida 27 stars. Texas 28 stars. Iowa 29 stars. Wisconsin 30 stars. California 31 stars. Minnesota 32 stars. Oregon 33 stars. Kansas 34 stars. And now we're in a civil war. Of course, the USA left all those stars, even for those states that tried to secede. But during the war, a bunch of western counties wanted to stay in the USA. So, in 1863, Congress authorized them to secede from Virginia and become an entirely new state, West Virginia. And now the flag has 35 stars. Later Nevada became a state, 36 stars. Nebraska 37 stars. Colorado 38 stars. Then in 1889 and 1890, between the 2 4th of Julys, there were 5 new states. South Dakota, North Dakota, Montana, Washington, Idaho. So, went from 38 stars, jumped straight to 43 later with Wyoming, got 44 stars. Utah 45 stars. Oklahoma 46 stars. Then, in 1912, there were 2 new states, New Mexico and Arizona, 48 stars. Also, this is the first time the U.S. government has officially made a special star pattern. Before that, people just created a bunch of different star-shaped pictures. Anyway, the number of states stayed at 48 for quite some time until 1959 when Alaska became a state, giving the flag 49 stars. And later that summer, Hawaii became the 50th state, giving us the very 50-star flag we still have today. And that's the whole evolution of the flag. Thank you for watching.